Hello everyone, and this is my updated honest review of the DEWALT 20V combination kit. So within this, you get an impact driver, you get a cordless drill, 2 batteries, battery charger, and carry case. I'm a huge fan of DEWALT. As you can see here, I've got so many different DEWALT products, as well as over here, a DEWALT table saw. And in fact, I used to have so many more DEWALT 18V tools before I sold them and upgraded to 20 volts. I think it's a phenomenal product. I think DEWALT just does a great job, always dependable, great battery life on these batteries, quick to charge. And these are just so much better than 18V ones that I had. They've just kind of re-engineered them, made it a little bit more streamlined, a lot more effective, and overall, it still maintains that same high quality you expect from DEWALT products. Very efficient, very easy to use. These batteries are so much smaller and lighter weight than the old 20 volts that I used to have, but that does not take away from the efficiency, and it absolutely does not take away from the longevity of the battery life itself. This is fully adjustable, as you can see. You can adjust it on top, and you have variable speeds here as well. Bi-directional, and it does come with lights as well as this one. Overall, look, if you're looking for high quality, great tools that come at an affordable price point, at least for what I consider affordable, this is something you may want to look at. I've been using DEWALT tools for over 20 years. I have no reason to upgrade, no reason to go higher tier, because I found something that works. I would not continue to use them for decades if I did not believe in them. I would not continue to buy and upgrade from 18 volts to 20 volts if I did not believe in them. I'm not one to waste money. I'm actually very frugal in general, but I found a product I believe in. It works. It gets the job done every single time. And no matter how rough I am with them, they can take it, they continue to survive, and they continue to function exactly as they should from the day I purchased them.